Looking for a lightweight laptop with an OLED display, the latest Intel Core Ultra processor, and all-day portability? Today we're reviewing the Acer Swift Lite 14-SFL14-54M, one of Acer's lightest ultrabooks weighing less than 1 kilogram. The first thing you'll notice is how incredibly light this laptop is. It weighs only 990 grams and is just 15.4 millimeters thin, making it easy to carry in a backpack or laptop sleeve all day. The silver finish gives it a clean and professional appearance that's suitable for work, university, or business meetings. The hinge opens a full 180 degrees. Powering this laptop is the Intel Core Ultra 5115U processor. It features 8 cores 10 threads base clock of 1.5 GHz. This processor is designed for everyday productivity while offering better power efficiency than previous generations. Combined with 16 GB LPDDR5 RAM, multitasking feels smooth. Storage comes in the form of a 512 GB SSD. For graphics, it uses Intel integrated graphics, which are perfectly suitable for office work, media consumption, and casual creative tasks. One of the biggest highlights is the 14-inch OLED display. You get Full HD Plus resolution 1920 by 1200, 16:10 aspect ratio OLED panel 60 Hz refresh rate. The screen delivers deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast compared to standard IPS displays. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or simply browsing the web, the display looks sharp and colorful. The 16:10 aspect ratio also provides extra vertical space, making documents and web pages easier to read. Connectivity. Despite its slim design, Acer includes a good selection of ports. You get 2 USB Type-C ports, 1 USB Type-A port, HDMI output, Wi-Fi 6. There's no RJ45 Ethernet port, but wireless performance should be excellent thanks to Wi-Fi 6. The laptop also features a backlit keyboard, making it comfortable to work in low-light environments. Overall, the design feels premium, minimalist, and highly portable. Webcam HD webcam. Battery life. The Swift Lite comes with a 58Wh battery and supports a 65W charger. Acer rates the battery for up to 9 hours, although actual usage will depend on brightness, workload, and applications. For office work, online meetings, and browsing, you can comfortably get through most of a working day. If you're looking for a portable laptop primarily for productivity, studying, office work, entertainment, and travel, the Acer Swift Lite 14-SFL14-54M is a strong option. The OLED display is a standout feature, the Intel Core Ultra processor provides efficient everyday performance, and the incredibly lightweight makes it one of the easiest laptops to carry around.